Hello, everyone. I appreciate you meeting here today to discuss an important intervention plan for the Gallatin County community. My name is Jeffrey Edgecombe, and I am currently enrolled in a Master's of Public Health at the University of New England, and I am also a Gallatin County resident. I will be presenting on the theory of planned behavior, radon intervention to prevent lung cancer development in the Gallatin County community. The slide you see before you is an EPA map of radon zones. For those of you unaware, Gallatin County, Montana resides within a Zone 1 radon exposure area. Zone 1 is the highest radon designation offered in the country. Radon exposure is the #1 cause of lung cancer development for non-smokers. On this slide, there are 3 beliefs that need to be considered when thinking about the theory of planned behavior. The first belief is behavioral beliefs, which are beliefs about the probable consequences of the practice behavior. Some of these beliefs regarding radon testing could be, are my neighbors doing it? Or is it safe for my children? The second is normative beliefs, which kind of tie in to the first, which are beliefs about the normative expectations of other people. Personally, being in a Zone 1 radon vicinity should normalize radon testing. And the third is control beliefs, which are beliefs about the presence of factors that may enable or obstruct the performance of the behavior. Some of these could be the cost of a radon kit, where to buy a radon kit, or the availability of a radon kit. With the interventions, we either lessen the cost of the test or completely get rid of the cost. The experimental group will be supplied coupons for the radon test kits. The control group will be supplied free radon test kits. In both groups, educational surveys will be provided to the test groups. Measurable outcomes will be within the next year if radon test kits sales increase, and a follow-up survey will be sent to test the education of the participants within the survey. And these are my references, and thank you very much for your consideration. Thank you.